Hi all, welcome to ACE Online. Happy morning to each and every viewer who is watching this video. I hope you are enjoying a series of classes that we are conducting absolutely free in this channel to help the students preparing for SSC CGL. As you know, SSC CHSL notification also got released. Now it's time for the students who are preparing for SSC related examination to tighten their belt. Exam is SSC CHSL exam is scheduled to happen in August. So it's very important critical months for any student preparing for SSC examination. SSC CGL related special sessions that we are conducting. Yesterday Raju sir has taken a wonderful session on general studies in the evening. Yesterday morning there was a quantitative aptitude session. Tomorrow there will be a verbal session. Today evening there will be a reasoning session. We are conducting a lot of session. Ensure that you do not miss any of these sessions, because each and every session will help you to solve questions in an ACE online way so that you can save your time. Now today what we will do is we will start our class. I keep repeatedly saying this in each and every class of mine. Any exam that you are preparing, first and foremost thing is understanding the weightage of the examination. These are the questions versus the number of questions that came in various years from the last 4 years. If you see ratios, consistently there were 2 questions coming from averages. There is also a consistency in the questions coming from number system, simplification, time and work. In case if you want a screenshot of this, kindly take a screenshot based on the last 4 years observation of the number of questions and the number of major topics which are involved. Will start our preparation. Data interpretation also there is a consistency of 4 marks. These are the topic wise weightage. Sir, what we will do in today's class? What we will do is we will take some previous year questions from an SSC CGL paper, and instead of solving it in a traditional method, we will try to solve it in an ACE online way. ACE online way is the easiest way, is the best way, and it is the fastest way to solve the problems. Let us get into problem solving. These are some of the things which we do it. These are some of the things which we do not do it. See the first question. See the first question. Read the question first. Method 1. X power 5 minus 12x power 4 plus 12x cube minus 12x square plus 12x minus 1. There is an expression value that we need to find out, and x value it is given as 11. In our regular textbook, what they will do is 12 is 11 plus 1. 11 is x. So it is minus of x plus 1 into x power 4. 12 is 11 plus 1. It is x plus 1 x cube. 12 is 11 plus 1 x plus 1 x square. 12 is 11 plus 1 x plus 1 into x minus 1. Into x minus 1. Now if you observe carefully, x power 5 minus x power 4 minus x power 4 plus x power 4 plus x cube minus x cube. Are you all with me? Right? Minus x cube minus x square plus x square. So what is remaining here? Plus x minus 1. Plus x minus 1. 11 minus 1 is 10. Answer for this question is 10. This is what the regular textbook method will tell you. Now what we'll do is, we will find out an alternative way, which is ACE online way. ACE online way. Let us see how to solve this question without doing any of the expression cancellation. Expression cancellation. Listen carefully. This is an algebra question. I am applying number system concept. I am applying number system concept. I am applying number system concept in algebra. I am applying number system concept in algebra. Sir, what is this number system concept which you are applying? I am applying a remainder concept. Remainder concept. Please see the question here. If I observe carefully, this is divisible by 12. 12 into any number is divisible by 12. 12 into any number divisible by 12. 12 into any number divisible by 12. 12 into any number divisible by 12. These entire terms are divisible by 12. What is remaining? X power 5. What is the last term? Minus 1. Let me check what will happen if it divides by 12. If it divides by 12. Just by observing the coefficients of the given expression, I am able to conclude that these divisible by 12, divisible by 12, divisible by 12, divisible by 12. What is remaining? X power 5 minus 1. What is x value? 11. 11 power 5 minus 1 divided by 12. 11 power 5 minus 1 divided by 12. Single step answer. Within 5 to 10 seconds you will get the answer. 5 to 10 seconds you will get the answer. X power 5 minus 1 whole divided by 12. X is 11. 12 ones are 12. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 2. Whenever you get a negative remainder, add the denominator. 12 minus 2 is 10. What is the answer for this question? 10. Just by the glimpse of the question itself, you got the answer. What is the root cause of the problem? Root cause of the problem is coefficients are 12. Henceforth, I divided this value by 12. All are divisible. Only 2 terms are left. So, I simplified the question into first term as well as the last term. X power 5 minus 1 whole divided by 12. X is 11. 12 ones are 12. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 2. Negative remainder minus 2. Positive remainder will be 12 minus 2 is 10. I hope the concept it is clear. We will use these concepts to solve a lot of our problems. For example, I hope you understood that idea. With the understanding of the idea, let us solve this question. Directly I am using ACE online way. ACE online way, please see the question. Read the question, somewhere you will get an idea from the previous question. X power 5 minus 107 x power 4. Here the coefficient is 107. 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 That means all these terms are divisible by 107. All these terms are divisible by 107. What is pending? First term and last term. First term is x power 5. Last term is plus 25. All are divisible by 107. So I am dividing it by 107 and I am checking the format. What will happen if it is divisible by 107? I hope the idea it is clear. All the terms are divisible by 107. Second, third, fourth and fifth. So I divided by 107. I took the first term and last term. What is x value given in the question? X value given as 106. 106 power 5 plus 25 divided by 107. Divided by 107. 106 power 5 plus 25 divided by 107. 107 ones are 107. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1 plus 25. 25 minus 1 is 24. That means answer when divided by 107. Answer when divided by 107. Positive remainder should be 24. Answer when divided by 107. When you divide a number by 107, answer remainder should be how much? 24. 107 ones are 107. It is 25. Eliminated. 107 ones are 107. It is 11. Eliminated. It is 24. 107 ones are 107. Remainder is 24. So answer for this question is 131. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Anil sir, what is the root cause of the problem? Root cause of the problem is all the coefficients are divided by 107. So I divided by 107. Answer when divided by 107, the remainder should be 24. Option number C is satisfying the condition. I hope the idea it is clear. These are all some questions. Most of the students think that it is a difficult question, but they are not a difficult question. They are an easy question. Sir, is there any other way to solve the problem? Now, what we will do is, we will solve this problem in two methods. ACE online way, two ways we will do. Instead of expanding it as x plus 1, x plus 2, ACE online way. ACE online way. Method 1 we will do and method 2 we will do. Method 1 and method 2. Method 1 and method 2. What is method 1? We just discussed. What is the coefficient, sir? 13. It is divisible by 13. It is also divisible by 13. Second term, it is divisible by 13. Third term, it is divisible by 13. What is left over? X power 4 first term and minus 12 power x. Minus 12 power x. What is the coefficient? 13. So I am dividing it by 13. Dividing it by 13. This method already we have seen it. Right? Previous two problems we did like this. Depending upon the coefficient, we did the number system related concept. X is how much it is? X is 12 power 4 minus 12 into x is again 12 divided by 13. Divided by 13. 12 power 4 minus 12 into 12 divided by 13. 13 ones are 13. It is minus 1. Minus 1 power 4. 13 ones are 13 minus 1. 13 ones are 13 minus 1. Minus into minus plus. Minus 1 power 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. That means answer should be perfectly divisible by 13. Answer should be perfectly divisible by 13. It is giving a remainder 1. It is giving a remainder 12. It is giving minus 12. Negative remainder minus 12. Positive remainder will be plus 1. So answer for this question is 0. This is method 1 to solve the question. Again I am repeating. Look at the question. Observe the coefficients. Here it is 13. It is divisible by 13. Here also it is 13. It is divisible by 13. Second and third values are divisible by 13. So I divided the entire expression with 13. X value it is given in the question as 12. 12 power 4 minus 12 into 12. 13 ones are 13. It is minus 1 power 4. It is 1. 13 ones are 13 minus 1. 13 ones are 13 minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1 minus 1. What is 1 minus 1? 1 minus 1 it is 0. That means answer should be perfectly divisible by 13. This is one way. Another way, just looking at a question, what is given in the question? X is 12 is given in the question. X is 12 in the given in the question. Whenever the values of x are given and if x value is divisible by 3, 12 is divisible by 3. 12 sum of the digits is 1 plus 2, 3. That means it is divisible by 3. Any 3 multiple, any 3x multiple, power natural number greater than or equivalent to 2. Digital sum will be 9. Digital sum will be 9. You take any multiple of 3. 6 square. 6 square is 36. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 square, it is 81. 12 cube. 12 cube is 12 into 12 into 12. 3 into 3 into 3. It is 27. It is divisible by 9. 3x power any natural number greater than or equivalent to 2. Digital sum will be 9. Digital sum will be 9. Sir, why are we doing this? Just pure observation. X is 12 power 4. 3x, 12 is multiple of 3. Power natural number 13 into 12 cube plus 13 into 12 square minus 12 into 12. Minus 12 into 12. Observe here, this is divisible by 9. This is divisible by 9. 12 it is 3. 3 square it is divisible by 9. 3 into 3, 9. It is divisible by 9. Answer should be perfectly divisible by 9. Answer should be divisible by 9. Another observation, depending upon the value of x given. Answer should be divisible by 9. 1 is not divisible by 9. 12 is divisible by 3 but not 9. Minus 12 is minus 3. Minus 3 means plus 6. 6 is divisible by 3 but not by 9. So answer for this question is 0. Answer for this question is 0. This method 2 at times will give an answer faster than method 1 depending upon the merit of the question. Depending upon the merit of the question. I hope question number 3, it is very much clear to you. Question number 4. Now this is the beauty of knowing method 2. Please look at these. Question, what is the value of x given? X is given as 36. Is 36 a multiple of 3? Yes. 36 it is a multiple of 3 or it is a multiple of 9. 36 is 3 plus 6 9. Answer is divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. 9 into any number. 9 into any number. 9 into any number. 9 into any number. Answer digital sum will be 9. 9 into any number. 9 into any number. Digital sum will be 9. 9 into any number, digital sum will be 9. Once you know this concept, this question can be solved in maximum 5 seconds, sir. Maximum 5 seconds it take to understand where is the answer option. 9 into any number, answer digital sum will be 9. 14, 14 means 5. Answer when divided by 9, remainder should be 5. Sir, from where you got 5? 14, 14 I am using digital sum. What is a digital sum? Digital sum is defined as sum of the digits until you get a single digit number. So 14, 1 plus 4, 5. Where is the digital sum 5? Here it is 5. No, 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 no. So answer for this question is 50. Answer for this question is 50. Whenever you get a question where the value of x is given, which is a multiple of 9, here multiple of 9, multiple of 9, multiple of 9, multiple of 9, multiple of 9. 14, 1 plus 4, it is 5. These are all some original SSC question which you tend to take little more time to solve because the methodology which you are using is a little cumbersome or it is a little time taking. So answer digital sum should be 5. Only option it is 5. In case if there is more than one answer option with a digital sum 5, what you will do? All these numbers are divisible by which number? 37. So what is the idea you will use? Remainder 1, x power 5 plus 14 divided by 36. Divided by 37. Coefficients are 37, right? X value it is given as 36. So 36 power 5 plus 14 divided by 37. 37 ones are 37. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. 14 minus 1 is 13. Answer when divided by 37, remainder should be 13. Remainder should be 13. 50 it is. 37 ones are 37. Remainder it is 13. I hope two important methods instead of traditional method it is very much clear to you. What are the important ways to solve this kind of problems? Observe the coefficients, divide by that coefficient. That is the first method. Second method, if value of x is given as a multiple of 3, just to use the concept of digital sum. These are the two important learnings. Now see here, by looking at a question, I am sure everybody who is watching this video, if you have understood the concept from the previous problem, solving the question is very easy. X is 72. 72 is divisible by 9. 72 is divisible by 9. That means all are divisible by 9. All are divisible by 9. 10 digital sum is 1. Answer when divided by 9, remainder should be 1. Why? Or answer digital sum should be 1. Answer digital sum should be 1. Sir, from where you got 1? 10. 10 digital sum is 1 plus 0, 1. Answer when divided by 9, remainder should be 1. It is 5. It is 8. It is 6. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 digital sum is 9 ones are 9. Right? I am sure if this question comes to you in future, you can solve it in a jiffy rather than going by the traditional method. In case if there is more than one answer option with the digital sum 1, what you can do? Divide this entire value by, what is the coefficient? 71. Divided by 71, you will get the idea. I hope the idea it is clear. These 5 questions, very important previous year SSC PYQ model. Write some better ways to solve the question. Now see here, x equivalent to 24. X equivalent to 24. Please tell me, sir, either you can use 25, 25. That means divide this number by 25. Remainder 1. X cube plus 5 divided by 24. X cube plus 5 divided by 24. So x is divided by 25. X value is given as 24. So it is remainder of 24 cube plus 5 divided by 25. I hope the idea it is clear. One is a coefficient observation method. Coefficient observation method. I am dividing it by 25 because coefficients are 25. 25 ones are 25 minus 1. Minus 1 cube minus 1 plus 5. 5 minus 1 4. Answer when divided by 25. Remainder will be 4. Answer when divided by 25. Remainder will be plus 4. It is not possible, it is minus. 25 ones are 25. Positive remainder, it is plus 4. Answer when divided by 25. Positive remainder, it is 4. One is the observation of coefficient and dividing. Another is 24. It is divisible by 9. This is also 24. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 square, 36. It is divisible by 9. What is remaining? 25 into 24 plus 5. What is the digital sum? 2 plus 5, 7. 2 plus 4, 6. Plus 7. 7 6 are 42. Plus 5, 47. 47, what is the digital sum? 4 plus 7, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. Answer digital sum should be 2. Answer digital sum should be 2. 24 whole cube. 24 is 2 plus 4, 6. 6 power any natural number, 9. 25 into 24 square. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 square is 36. Digital sum is 9. 25 into 24 plus 5. 25 is 7. 24 is 6. Plus 5. 7 6 are 42. Plus 5. 47. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 digital sum is 2. 11 digital sum is 2. Answer digital sum should be 2. Option A, C and D out. All these model is extremely clear to you. I don't need to solve this question. I am sure any student who is right has seen all the 6 problems. Directly answer you will say x power 4 plus 27 divided by 83. What is x value given? 84. 84 power 4 plus 27 divided by 83. I hope the idea it is clear. 83 ones are 83, remainder 1. 1 plus 27, 28. Answer when divided by 83, remainder it is 28. 83k plus 28. So, answer when divided by 83. 83 ones are 83. Remainder it is 28. Remainder it is 28. Remainder it is 28. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Right? One is the coefficient method. Another is the division method. Digital sum method. All 7 questions are clear to you. Now, let us see some unique way of solving the question. This question is based on geometry. Instead of using any formulas, let us see some ways of solving the question. Let us see some ways of solving the question. Now, if you see here, please listen carefully, sir. Right? First, I will explain. Write some concepts. Then I will use these concepts. Right? In these problem. In these problem concepts. Suppose for example, let me take a circle. Let me take a circle, right? This is the line joining the center and the end points. This is called the diameter. Take any one point on one side of the circle. Join it. Angle in a semicircle, it is 90 degrees. Angle in a semicircle, it is 90 degrees. Now, if you see here, observe carefully. If I just shift it also, angle will not change. This is also 90 degrees. Are you all with me? This is also 90 degrees. Are you all with me? This is also 90 degrees. Are you all with me? So, angle obtained by the diameter at a point on the circumference of a circle. At a point on the circumference of a circle. All are 90, 90, 90. This will keep moving and it will come here. Angle at the center, it is 180 degrees. That means this will move like this. If it comes here, exactly, angle formed at the center, angle formed at the center, angle formed at the center, angle formed at the center is twice the angle formed at the circumference. 2 times the angle formed at the circumference. 2 times the angle formed at the circumference. Angle formed at the circumference. Is this idea clear? Is this idea clear? This concept is known as virtual positioning. Virtual, without even going through the properties, just because of diagrams, you will understand the properties very clear. So, if it is 90, this is also 90, this is also 90. Now, the same thing you can also see. If you see here, this is a 90. If I create a mirror image, if I create a water image or a mirror image, assume it is a water image. In the water, how much it will be? These also will be 90. These also will be 90. Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral, it is 180 degrees. These 90, these 90. They are opposite. That means another property also without even going through. Opposite angles, sum in a quadrilateral. Opposite angles, sum in a quadrilateral, it is 180 degrees. This is a very beautiful, innovative approach to solve the problems. This is 90. If I shift it, it is 90. If I shift it, it is 90. If I shift it, it is 90. 90, 90, 90 will move and come here. Angle formed at the center is twice the angle formed at the circumference. This is 90. If I create a water image, it is 90. Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral, it is 180 degrees. These two are clear to you. Now, what we will do is, right, there is 6 vertical lines, it is there. 6 vertical lines, it is there. Now, if you see here, right, listen very carefully. No formulas, nothing. No formulas, nothing. Join all this. This is a figure. The figure is like this. Virtual positioning concept. Take this figure. The figure is like this. The figure is like this. Ulta it. Ulta it. Ulta it. And place it on the top. And place it on the top. That means exactly this line will come here. Exactly this line will come here. Exactly this line will come here. And the figure will be a complete figure. Figure will be a complete figure. Are you all with me? I hope the idea, it is clear. This is one figure, sir. This is one figure. This is one figure. I folded the figure and I kept it to the other side. And I kept it to the other side. So this is a figure like this. This is a figure. I did this ulta and I reversed it and I kept it. And I reversed it and I kept it. Now, if you see here, from here to here, it is a 13. That means from here to here, it is a 13. This is a 13. This is a 13. This is a 13. 13, 13, 13. So, 13, 13, 13, 13. How much it will be? 13 into 6, 78. But half only I require. 78 by 2 is 39. 78 by 2 is 39. He is asking, find the height of the red lines. What are the red lines? These are all the red lines. These 1, these 2, these 3, these 4, these 5, these 6. If I shift it here, from here to here, this is the height. Height is 13. 13, 13, 13. 6 lines are there. Only half of them I require. Half of them I require. So, 78 by 2. Answer for this question is 39. Is the concept very much clear to you? Virtual positioning is positioning of the given figure in an unrealistic way so that the figure will be a complete figure. So figure will be a complete figure. Extremely important concept, sir. This concept you should know it. Otherwise you will struggle. Suppose for example, there is a question that is given to you. Another question I will give it to you. Suppose ABCD. ABCD, it is a quadrilateral. ABCD, it is a quadrilateral. These 151 degrees. This is 58 degrees. These ABCD. This is ABCD. 151 and 58 degrees. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. BD is 12. Find AD. BD is 12. Find AD. There is a four-sided figure that is given. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Angle B is given as 151 degrees. Angle D is given as 58 degrees. BD value it is 12. AD value how much? BD value it is 12. AD value it is how much? How you should solve it? Again, virtual positioning concept. If you are not aware of this concept, you will go through a lot of formulaic way. Please avoid using that formulaic way. These 58 degrees, these 151 degrees, these 58, it is 151. Ask yourself this question, why this weird angle 58 degrees is given to you? If it is 58, this will be angle at a point is 360 degrees. If it is 58 degrees, this will be 302 degrees. This will be 302 degrees. Why, sir? Because angle at a point is always 360 degrees. That means if it is 58, it is 302. See here, if angle at the center is 180, angle at a point on the circumference is 90. 180 is 2 times 90. Angle formed at the center is twice the angle formed at the circumference. Angle formed at the center is twice the angle formed at the circumference. That means D is the center. With D as the center, draw a circle. If I draw a circle, D is the center. Center to any point on the circle. AD, it is the radius. BD, it is also the radius. AD, it is the radius. BD also radius. Answer for this question is AD and BD are equal. So answer for this question is 12. Answer for this question is 12. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Please avoid using any formulas. Try to solve an aptitude problem or a reasoning problem, be it a contextual vocabulary problem, right? Try to learn it in a most common logical way. That is exactly what I said at the beginning of the class, that what we will give. See, I have given you different angles to simplify the problem. One is a textbook way of solving, another is ACE online way of solving, which can be learnt on spot and practice out over a questions. We will teach each and every concept, and we will just not the problem solving. Problem solving means take a question, solve it, understood or not. But can I solve it in the simplest way should be our motto, right? Different ways of looking at a problem. Unique shortcuts which you will not find it in any of the regular textbooks. Linking the topics. I hope you have understood how I linked the topics of the concept of divisibility rule, looking at the coefficient, concept of digital sum in an algebra related question, concept of water image in a geometry related question, how I solved the question without using any formulas. This is exactly why you should purchase ACE online products, because we are somebody who are very passionate about our teaching. Ninth question seems like a 5-liner question. Within 10 seconds, I will get this answer for you. But before that, see here, since I am explaining the virtual positioning concept, you will really struggle a lot in mensuration 2D and 3D related questions. I wanted to tell you about, again the concept of virtual positioning. Since we are discussing virtual positioning, let us try to use that concept of virtual positioning in a trapezium related questions. Trapezium related questions. Now, what is given in the question? There is a trapezium that is given. ABCD is a trapezium. A trapezium is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Then it becomes a parallelogram. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. This is like this. This is like this. This is like this. So this is AB. This is AB and it is CD. CD. This is, right? Two lines are there, right? So let me take another lines. 6, 7, 8. 27, 35x. The perimeter of this figure is, top figure is 27, middle figure is 35, it is x. So what you do is, no formulas. See, I am somebody who is very poor in formulas, but I can solve a problem through the logic. This is the figure, right? This is the figure. What you do is, this figure, take the figure, ulta the figure. Ulta the figure. This figure I took it ulta. Just put it to the right and place it. Put it to the right and place it. If I place it, I hope it is clear. 27, 35x ulta kar do. How much it became? X 35, 27. So here it will be x. Here it will be 35. Here it will be 27. Over answer. 35 plus 35. 35 plus, here it is 35, 35. So I hope the idea it is clear. So the here it will be, right? Here it is x, here it is 27. So what is given in the question? 6, 7, 8, 27, 35x. That means, if you observe closely, 27, 35x, I just did the ulta. I just did the ulta. That means this is a 35 and it is a 35. 35 plus 35, it is 70. Total perimeter, it is 70. 70, 7 tens are 70. 7 tens are 70. Similarly, you can use the another, right? 6 into something, how much it will be? Let us use that concept. So here it will be, same thing, you can use this concept. So here it is 6, 7, it is 6, right? Here it is 6. Here it is 6. So 35 plus 35, 70. 7 is becoming 70. 70 means 7 tens are 70. 6 tens are 60. 6 tens are 60. So try to, these 33, these 33. 33 plus 27, 60. 6 tens are 60. 35 plus 35, 70. 7 tens are 70. 27 plus 33, 60. 6 tens are 60. How beautifully by using virtual positioning you can concept, right? Because it is given that it is 6 and 6 and the mid value it is 35. You can shift and rotate the figure. What is the concept that I used it? Shift the figure. Shift the figure and rotate the figure. Shift the figure and rotate the figure. Shifting and rotating the figure, right? Simply you will get the answer. Simply you will get the answer. Simply you will get the answer. I hope it is clear. 35 plus 35, 70. 7 tens are 70. 6 tens are 60. Remaining is 33. So x is 33. I hope the idea it is clear. Another very important question with respect to algebra. Please see this question, sir. See the question. A1 is equivalent to 1. A1 is equivalent to 1. A1 it is equivalent to 1. An plus 1 is equivalent to. An plus 1 is equivalent to 2an plus 5. 2an plus 5. Which value we require? We require A100. We require A100. The first thing you will do when you are solving an algebra related question is identify the pattern. Please identify the answer option patterns. Identify the patterns. Pattern based questions are very, very important in your examination. Identify the patterns. Identify the patterns. Sir, what is pattern observation? What is asked in the question? A100 is asked. A100. All the options are in which form? 5 into 2 power 99 minus 6. If it is 100, powers are 99. Am I right? So what I will do is, I will put n equivalent to 1. If I put n equivalent to 1, A1 plus 1 is A2. A2 is equivalent to 2A1 plus 5. A2 is equivalent to 2A1 plus 5. 2 plus 5, it is 7. 2 plus 5, it is 7. Now, if it is 2, powers of 2 in the answer options are in 99. First option, it will become 5 into 2 power 1 minus 6. Second option, it will become 5 into 2 power 1 plus 6. Third option, it will become 6 into 2 power 1 plus 5. Fourth option, it will become 6 into 2 power 1 minus 5. 6 into 2 power 1 minus 5. See, if it is 100, all the powers are in 99. 99 is 1 less than 100. If it is 2, powers are 1 less than 2. So, which option is giving you 7? 5 into 2, 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 6 into 12. 12 minus 5, 7. Without even looking anything, once you identify the patterns, how we will solve a lot of our professional problems? The same scenario. In the past, we understood that this is the problem, right? For this problem, switch is the problem, or the socket is the problem, or the processor is the problem, or, right, there could be another problem. Since we have done the same testing before, we do the current testing in the new experiment. We understood the pattern that all are in A100. 100 options are in 2 power 99. If it is 100, power is 99. If it is 2, power will be 1. I just simplified the question. Two things that you need to learn from this question. Identify the pattern, and the next thing is simplify the problem. Do not complicate the problem. Simplify the problem to the simplest of the values. Simplify the problem. Do not overcomplicate the problem. Do not overcomplicate the problem. I hope the idea it is clear. Each and every question, whatever I am discussing in these special series, please make a note of it. Please pause the video. Identify the patterns. Looks like a very difficult question, but actually it's an easy question if you identify the pattern. Read the question first. Do not get intimidated looking at the question. 1 plus 1 by 1 square plus 2 square and so on up to 2008 square. All the options are 2008 minus 1 by 2008, all are closer to the pattern. So what we'll do is, we'll first take n equivalent to 1. If I take first value, 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. 2 plus 1 by 4, it is 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is 2 minus 1 by 2. 3 by 2 is 2 minus 1 by 2. If I take n equivalent to 1, I got 2 minus 1 by 2. Similarly, if I take n equivalent to 2, this will be, right, first value it is 3 by 2 plus second value 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 9. This will be 3 by 2 plus 1 plus how much it is? 13 by 36. That means 7 by 6. 3 by 2 plus 7 by 6. 6 LCM. 16 by 6. It is 8 by 3. 8 by 3 it is 3 minus 1 by 3. Observe carefully. If I take first value, inside square root it is ending with 2. I got answer 2 minus 1 by 2. Here it is ending with 3. Answer I got is 3 minus 1 by 3. Did you understood something? First second value it is ending with 3. Answer is 3 minus 1 by 3. Here it is ending with 2008. Answer will be 2008 minus 1 by 2008. 2008 minus 1 by 2008. Classic question of solving the question. First term it is ending with 2. Answer is 2 minus 1 by 2. Second term it is ending with 3. Answer is 3 minus 1 by 3. Last term it is ending with 2008. Answer will be 2008 minus 1 by 2008. 2008 minus 1 by 2008. Idea it is clear, right sir? Next one. The smallest 5-digit number. Next exam related question. Smallest 5-digit number which is divisible by 12, 18 and 21. 12, 18 and 21. First we will discuss a concept, sir. First we will discuss a concept. Two important concepts are there. Once you understand these two important concepts, then you can solve the problem very, very easily. Suppose I am doing LCM of 6 comma 9. LCM of 6 comma 9. We all know that how to find out the LCM of the given numbers. Go to the largest number 9. Is 9 divisible by 6? No. Take the next multiple 18. 18 is 6 into 3. So answer for this question is 18. LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. What is important is not the concept which I discussed. What is important is one important outcome of this one. Whenever you are applying LCM, listen carefully. Whenever you are applying LCM, input one number, it is divisible by 9. Input one number, it is divisible by 9. Whenever you are applying LCM, input one number, it is divisible by 9. Answer also will be divisible by 9. Answer also will be divisible by 9. Input one number, it is enough. Input one number, it is divisible by 9. Answer will be divisible by 9. One more example. LCM of 8 comma 9. LCM of co-prime numbers is their product. 8 into 9 is 72. Input one number, it is divisible by 9. Answer also it is divisible by 9. Input one number divisible by 9. Answer it will be divisible by 9. Please see the question. Read the question. What is the number that is divisible by 12, 18 and 21? Number which is divisible by 12, 18 and 21. 18, what is the digital sum, sir? 18, what is the digital sum? 9. Whenever you are finding the LCM of the given numbers, input one number, it is divisible by 9. Answer also it should be divisible by 9. Wherever it is not 9, remove it. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. These out. 6 plus 3, 9. 2 plus 5, 7. It is also out. So, first and A and C, two options are left. Very important thing, please make a note in your notebook. Input one number is divisible by 9. Answer will be divisible by 9. First concept it is clear. Second, similarly, LCM of 5 comma 7. LCM of 5 comma 7. LCM of 5 comma 7. 5 and 7 are co-prime numbers. LCM is 5 7s are 35. LCM is 5 7s are 35. Concept. Input one number is divisible by 7. Input one number is divisible by 7. Answer is also divisible by 7. Answer is also divisible by 7. Input, always remember, input if one number is divisible by 3, output will be divisible by 3. Input one number is divisible by 11, output will be divisible by 11. So input 21, it is divisible by 7. Input one number, it is divisible by 7. Answer will be divisible by 7. Answer will be divisible by 7. So 180, 7 14s are 98, 280, 7 4s are 28. So it is perfectly divisible by 7. It is perfectly divisible by 7. Two important concepts in this question. Input one number is divisible by 9. Output also will be divisible by 9. Input one number is divisible by 7. Answer also will be divisible by 7. In case if you want one more concept, how to check whether a number is divisible by 7 or not. Right, the divisibility rule of 7 is start from right hand side, take a group of 3 digits, alternatively plus minus. Start from right hand side, take a group of 3 digits, alternatively plus minus. Alternatively plus minus. Start from right hand side, take a group of 3 digits, alternatively plus minus. 80 minus 10. What is 80 minus 10? 70. 70 is divisible by 7. You do not need to divide it in a general division. You can use this concept. What is the divisibility rule of 7? Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. Alternatively plus minus. If the question is asked like this, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 divided by 7, what is the remainder? What is the divisibility rule of 7? Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits. Plus minus, plus minus. 123, 123, 123. Answer for this question is 0. Answer for this question is 0. I hope the idea it is clear. Important learning related to 7, 11 and 13 is any 3-digit number. Please also write down that concept. Any 3-digit number written even number of times. Any 3-digit number written even number of times. Any 3-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by. Any 3-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 7, 11, 13. Please make a note of this important point. I hope the concept is clear. What are the concepts that we use to solve the problem? Input one number divisible by 7. Answer is divisible by 7. Input one number divisible by 9. Answer is divisible by 9. What is the divisibility rule of 7? Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively plus minus. Alternatively plus minus. Now see here. Alternatively plus minus. A man bought a watch marked at rupees 4,800. Right? He went to a shop. He saw a watch. The watch, he went to a Rolex showroom. He saw a watch. The watch is costing, watch it is shown the price as 4,800. He asked, right, that shopkeeper, is there any discount of 50? That means clear to you, right? So it is what, 4,800 into 85 by 100 into 90 by 100. We will use the concept of divisibility rule. We will use the concept of divisibility rule. Divisibility rule for prime number. As I told you, good number of questions can be solved by using the concept of divisibility rule of prime number and digital sum. And digital sum. Divisibility rule for prime number and digital sum. 9 into any number, 9. Answer should be divisible by 9. Answer should be divisible by 9. Which all options are divisible by 9? These are not possible, not possible, not possible. 3, 6, 7, 2. Next is 85 contains prime number 17. That means answer should be divisible by 17 and 9. Divisible by 17 and 9. Answer when digital sum should be 9. Answer should be divisible by 17. 17 2s are 34. 27. 17 1s are 17. 102. 17 6s are 102. Please do not get into heavy calculation. These are divisible by 17 and it is divisible by 9. Answer should be divisible by 17 and 9. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. I hope everybody understood how to solve this kind of problems. People will get into solving. See, we are doing a lot of these special series. We will do a lot of questions on arithmetic. Today is just a glimpse of the question that we are going to solve. Answer for this question should be divisible by 17 and 9. So answer will be 3672. This is an algebraic question. X plus 1 by y equivalent to 1, z plus 1 by x equivalent to 1. He is asking the value of this value. Suppose if I take y value 1, x will become 1 minus 1, 0. X cannot be 0. First thing is, x cannot be 0. Y cannot be 0. Y cannot be 0. So obviously z cannot be 0. Y cannot be 1 because x will become 0. X will become, right, x cannot be. X, if I take x value 1, 1 minus 1, 0, y will be. That means x cannot be 1. X cannot be 1. Z also cannot be 1. Why? Because x0, y0, z0 will make this answer right indeterminate form. So what I'll do is, suppose if I take y value minus 1, then x will become 2. If x is 2, z will become 1 by 2. That means x, y, z. Here it will become 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. Just to substitute these values, you will get the answer. X is 2. 2 minus 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 by x, it is 1 by 2. 1 by y, it is minus 1. 1 by z, it is 2. It is 2. 1 minus 1, it is 0. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Answer for this question is 3. Just I substituted, sir, y0 is not possible, x0 in denominator not possible. Sir, yx1 not possible, yx1, y will become 1 minus 1, 0. So xyz, so I started with y value minus 1. Very simple substitution method. Very simple substitution method to solve the problem. Very simple way to solve the question is substitute appropriate values and get the answer. I hope it is clear. There is one question, right? One question, time, speed and distance question. Let us solve it by using virtual positioning concept. Virtual positioning concept. Single step, 5 steps answer it is. Virtual positioning concept. We will use a virtual positioning concept. This actually takes 1 to 2 minutes to solve the problem. Let us solve a virtual, right? There is a tunnel. There is a tunnel connecting city A and city B. This is a tunnel containing A and B. There is a cat which is standing at 3 by 8 of the length of the tunnel. If this entire length is 8, a cat is standing at a point which is 3 meters from the starting of the tunnel. 3 meters from the starting of the tunnel. It listens a whistle, that means there is a train. This is a train. This is a train. Scenario is, there is a tunnel, the length of the tunnel is 8 meters, there is a cat inside the tunnel which is at a length of 3 meters, right? There is a train coming out. What is the question? Right, train, in another case, the cat started running towards the exit and the train meets the cat. If the cat, listen carefully, sir. If the cat runs like this, train and cat will meet at the starting point. train and cat will meet at the starting point. Let me call these point as C. Let me call these point as C. Let me call these point as D. If cat is moving in the direction opposite to that of train, so train and cat will move at the starting point. Train and cat will move at the starting point of the tunnel. Starting point. When they are starting point, meeting at the starting point, this is the traditional method which you will find it in regular textbooks. Then we will discuss virtual positioning. Trains are meeting at the starting point. That means time taken from C to A by train. Time taken from C to A by train will be time taken from D to A by cat. Am I right? Right? Suppose I is there, my friend Sandeep is there. Sandeep is at a location, I am there at a location, right? The time taken for him to come to the studio, in the exact time, if I am also present, then I will meet Sandeep. Am I right? So time taken by train to go from here to here. In the same time, cat comes from here to here. Train and cat will meet. So speed is equivalent to distance by time. Speed is equivalent to distance by time. Time is equivalent to distance by speed. Time is equivalent to distance by speed. So train, how much it will travel? D by ST. From here to here it is D. Cat, how much it will travel? 3 by speed of the cat. Speed of the train by speed of the cat is D by 3. Speed of the train by speed of the cat is D by 3. This is the starting point. Train is meeting the cat at the starting point. What is the another point? Cat, it is moving in the same direction. Train is coming like this, cat is coming like this. End point. If they are meeting at the end point, time taken from C to B by train, is equivalent to time taken from D to B by cat. If cat is taking some time and reaches here, exactly by the time train reaches here, train will catch hold of cat. So time taken, time is the distance by speed, that is D. D plus 8 by speed of the train is, remaining it is 5 by speed of the cat. So speed of the train by speed of the cat is D plus 8 by 5. D plus 8 by 5. If I equate, D by 3 is equivalent to D plus 8 by 5. So 5D is equivalent to 3D plus 24. 2D is 24. D is 12. D is 12. So speed of the train by speed of the cat will be 12 by 3. 12 by 3. I hope it is clear. D, it is 12. 12 by 3, how much it is? 4 is to 1. 4 is to 1. Speed of the train to speed of the cat. All these no need to do. No need to do. Just look at virtual positioning concept. Virtual positioning concept. You will get the answer in single second. Train is here, sir. Train is meeting the cat at the starting point. Cat will take some time to come to the starting point. Think logically. Virtual positioning is exactly by the time train reached here, cat also will reach here. Assume the time it takes to go to the starting point, exactly make it go backwards. That means exactly when the train is here, the cat will be here. That means train has to cover entire 8, cat has to cover Aage 3, the same time it went back these 3. Total 6 covered. What is remaining? What is remaining? 2. 8 by 2. Single step answer. Answer is 4 is to 1. Again I am explaining. Cat is here, train is here. Train has to meet the cat at the starting point. That means cat travels 3 meters forward, comes here. Train comes here. Train will meet the cat here. Assume instead of cat going in the forward direction, make it go in the backward direction. It goes in the backward direction. train is here, entire 8 it has to cover, and cat has to travel remaining 2. What is 8 by 2? 4:1. This is exactly why you should purchase ACE online course, because our course is not discussed in the traditional method. You will find it in regular textbook. Our course helps you to solve the question in seconds. In case if you are a student, all the questions whatever we discussed, see the beauty of today's class, every question solved it in shortcut way. First question, shortcut way, explaining how that shortcut came into picture. First 7, various concepts, virtual positioning, how you can remember the properties, virtual positioning, time, speed and distance, virtual positioning, mensuration 3D, virtual positioning, algebra, identifying the pattern based question, concept of LCM. If you do not know this concept, you will definitely get the answer. But what is the purpose of getting the answer by wasting time? Discount, divisibility rule of prime number. I hope everything it is clear. In case if you want to know the course details of SSC CGL, the course consists of aptitude, reasoning, verbal and general studies. 4 component will be there. It will be a pre-recorded course. Total number of hours, the content present is close to 350 plus hours. All the faculties and their profiles, we discussed it in our SSC CGL, the first video, where each and every faculty who is involved in this video development came out and spoke about their experience. Almost a combined experience of 50 plus years. Test series is given free to you. You can also have an one-to-one mentoring with the experienced faculty so that they will direct you in case if you are moving in the wrong direction. Special doubt sessions will be there. These tests are added absolutely free to you. You can log on to ACE online website. You can click on the SSC CGL button. You will find SSC CGL logo. Click on it and click on the year you are writing the examination and you can purchase the course. There will be a 3 months course, 6 months course, 12 months, depending upon when you are writing it. Yesterday, unfortunately, check it out with my tech team. If that coupon code is available, you can save 20% by applying this coupon code. I hope you are enjoying these special series, which will help you to solve the problems in an ACE online way. I hope in case if you enjoyed it, like it, share it, subscribe to the channel and give an information to your friends so that they will know the difference between easy approach and the long approach. Thanks a lot. Anil Nair, Faculty ACE Online.